Today I've been in the market to look for some jams, but I found a lot of jams with a lot of unnecessary additives, which is often harmful for the body, such as high fructose corn syrup, citrate and food coloring, and a whole bunch of artificial flavoring. Well, I decided to make my own mango jam, simply with 3 ingredients. Let's first buy some fresh mango, then head back to my kitchen and start to making some delicious simple mango jams, so you won't go back to a store-bought mango jam after trying my recipe. First, we are going to sterilize our pan and our storing jars with boiling them for something about 7 to 10 minutes. And yes, we are sterilizing the pan too, because when you cook over time, your pan gets savory season and you don't want all those onion and garlic and other food smell in your jam. Well, let's prepare our mango with peeling and cutting them. We need 500 grams mango. So 500 grams is the measurement after chopping the mangoes. Well, first chop the mango, then weigh after and take out 500 grams. Add your mangoes to the food processor or a blender and make them into fine puree. Do not add any water. Transfer your mango puree to a right-sized pan and add 300 grams sugar and mix the sugar and mango puree so well, and then place the pan over high heat on a stove. You have to keep the flame between medium to high and stir occasionally. After around 10 minutes of cooking, add 1 tablespoon lemon or lime juice. This lemon or lime juice will help to preserve your jam and add to the taste and give your jam a bright color. Make sure you are using a lid or something like that to protect yourself of splashing jam. Because when you cook any kind of jams and sauce, it will splash all over your stove. But don't forget to stir in your jam. It will take 20 to 30 minutes to cook. And you can test your jam by pouring some on a plate, and you will see if it is not runny and not dripping out. That means jams is ready. Jams is ready and looks perfect. You can transfer immediately the hot jam to the sterilized glass jars and let it cool down completely, then place the lid. If you transfer the hot jam to the sterilized glass mason jar and let it cool down in the jar and then store it, it will help you to preserve your jam for around 1 year. Look at consistency of this delicious jam. It is perfectly spreadable. Give this recipe a try. You will never go back to store-bought crappy jams. Don't forget to watch my next video, which I'm going to make Greek yogurt mango cake. With these jams we made it today. And you can try it as well. Enjoy! See you next time.